All right, welcome back to Trojan. Let's talk about the simplest kind of swap you can make on the terminal, a quick market buy and sell. Once you've got your token loaded, head over to the Trade panel. From here, it's just a few easy steps. First, make sure you're on the buy side. I'll switch over now. Then, confirm that Market is selected. We'll cover the other order types in a future video. Next, select your trade settings profile. Check your gas, slippage, and MEV settings if you haven't already dialed them in. You can change them right here from the drop-down. We've got a great tutorial on setting these if you need a little help. Okay, back to it. You'll see my settings are already set in my trade profile, so we're good to go. Now, set the amount you want to spend. I'm keeping it small for this demo. Choose your wallet, or if you're running multiple wallets, select them all for a bundle buy. Then hit buy. And there's the confirmation. Done. Now let's sell. Flip over to holdings so we can see our position. There it is. Click it and we're back to the main trade screen. Switch to the sell side by clicking the sell button up top. Decide how much to sell. I'll offload half just to show you. Click sell and that's it. Fast, clean, straightforward. A market buy and sell on Trojan's terminal. Easy as it gets.